Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
Graham, this is a big question for you and your experience. What are unique issues that you deal with when you're replacing poly B in a multifamily home versus a single family home?
That's a great question. So with a single family home, we only ever have to deal with one head of the household who's making decisions. It's easier to displace a family out of a single family home versus a condo building. So in condos, we not only have to go through stratas, we have to go through property management companies. Everything has to be so above board and checked off of a checklist. And then it's harder with a condo building to displace homeowners. So that's our biggest challenge, is displacing. And sometimes we have to displace multiple units at a time, depending on how your water system is connected. With a single residential home, we can just turn off the water to the house. We can change the piping. We can work there. There's no hours of operation. We can work from, my guys can get there at 6 a.m. and work till midnight if they want. There's no time frame. Where with a condo strata, you've got to have quiet time from usually after 6 o'clock. So there's a lot of implications that can be challenging for a construction company on replacing poly B in a condo board versus a single family home.
Yeah, no, that's great. I mean, it helps set expectations, really.
Yeah, biggest thing is expectations. Your contractor should be going over everything with you and giving you a realistic plan on how to move forward with this. Anybody that doesn't, I wouldn't trust at this point.
Yeah, no, fair enough. Absolutely.
Yeah. Is that all?
That's all.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.